Hi Bestie, in this video I'm doing an unboxing of Cloth and Paper's May 2025 intention box. So if that interests you, let's go ahead and get started. Hi Bestie, welcome to my channel. My name is Miss Ruler, also known as Karen. Glad that you're here with me today. And I'm just going to go ahead and start this unboxing of the May intention box from Cloth and Paper. You probably already saw all the things. I've had this box it's been over a week since I've had this box. And I'm just getting to it, so let's get into the things, guys. If you got the box, leave an orange heart in the comments. And if you've seen the sneak peeks of the June intention box, if you plan on getting that box, leave a red heart in the comments. Okay guys, I have everything open and we're going to start off with the journal card here. It has Revelry on it. And the May 2025, it says Analog Planning Routine. So that card also tells you everything that's in the box for the month. And let's go ahead and open up the page pins, and it indicates that it's volume 3. If you received previous intention box in the past, we did receive different colors in that particular box, and we received the orange to seem like that's going with the theme for this particular box. Okay, so now let me go ahead and open this up. Okay, so it says it's page markers, and we have a set of 3. Okay, so with the page marker, one is for dismount, spiral, and then one is not punched for the page markers. And let's see what else we got. Okay, so we got the July calendar card. We get a calendar card each time you get an intention box. Let's see what is next. Okay, so this is the Gallery Journaling card set, which has a boundary clip. I haven't used a binder clip since I left the state, which probably was like 7-8 years ago, and a orange barcode. Alright, so let's look at the journaling cards. Okay guys, I am absolutely loving these journal cards. Absolutely different. Each does have something that's on them. They're different for each of them, and you can't tear these off. And I just have to figure out how I would like to utilize this. And you know, typically when Planner Girls, we are hoarders. And we don't typically like to use our things. We like to hold on to them. And that's definitely something I've been working on for this year. See the different pictures and the different quotes and statements. And it's definitely like if you're going to a museum and looking at a gallery, love it. Okay, so we did get some stickers this month. Okay, so this is called the Gallery Sticker Set. It's a set of 4 transparent stickers. Okay, so we got some arrows. And we also have some icons. Man, I wish we would have a couple of sheets of the icons. And let's see what the next one is. And we got some rectangle stickers. I'm really trying to do better in utilizing my stickers. Okay, so we got a pouch. Now guys, I didn't have any idea that we were receiving stationery or products associated with what we had signed for. Typically when we get an intention box, I had no idea that I would begin to see people take. I was thinking that we were all getting like the same size with this pouch. So I'm excited about that because I did not know that. I typically don't watch a lot of the videos that's posted on social media, so a lot of times when it comes to attention box, if I don't watch someone else's video, it's kind of like a surprise. So I'm definitely going to purchase more of this storage right here in CP Petite. And let me pull out my CP Petite planner, guys, and I'm going to go ahead and add it in there. So currently I utilize my CP Petite system as a cash envelope system. Not saying that I will continue to do that. Last year it was my 2024 planner that I utilized in CP Petite. And we also got some journaling inserts as well. Yeah, I didn't know we were going to get our planner size this month because I saw the notebooks. Now, I did see the notebooks, and I think because I saw the 3 notebooks that we were receiving, I didn't think we would actually receive stationery in the size that we designated when you sign up for your subscription box. And I'm trying to decide should I put these inserts in this one so I can make notations. I don't know. And should I put some back here as well? I'm going to add them right now. Not sure if I would keep them right here. Oh, and this is a sample showing you how you can utilize the journaling inserts. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and add it to my planner because, guys, if I just leave it to the side, I might just forget all about it. But that's right now for this year, 2025. I'm utilizing CP Petite as the cash envelope system. Not sure if I'll be doing that next year or for the next 6 months of the year, but that's what I've been doing so far. Alright, so next up, let's get to the pens. Okay, so I did see that we got a marker. I did see that. I think I saw that during one of the happy hours. And then we did get a pen. So guys, I'm really not a fan of the pens that we receive in the attention box. Now this one definitely is different with the arrow. So I'm really excited about getting that. But when it comes to the pens, that's not really my thing when it comes to the box. I typically give those to my daughter. Hopefully in 2026 we can get that option where we can choose to get the pens or not. Because if we can choose, I'm going to go back to not getting the pens. Okay, so now let's go ahead and get to the 3 notebooks. Now this is what I actually seen. I definitely seen these. Okay, so this card says the commonplace notebook set, and it has the information of all 3 notebooks that we received. Okay, so this is a folded pamphlet. It says Pocket Plus. It's made out of cardstock, and it's a monthly overview, and it has 6 sheets. So since it says Pocket Plus, this must fit inside our Pocket Plus transparent binder we received in a box. And then I remember receiving a travel set like last year. It's in that. And this right here, let's see if one of my clips match this cover. Yeah, I think it matches that. Let's see about this other clip. And both of these clips are from cloth and paper. Alright, so this right here is the A5 binder. And guys, I'm just seeing all my little green things that I have. Let's see if it matches with it. Alright, so this, as I said, this is the A5 binder is the exposed spine. It's undated. And I can't say I definitely could utilize this notebook. Alright, so as you know, it's a clear cover. Hold up, something's on this one. Alright, so yeah. I love the olive cover that it comes with to protect it. And I definitely could utilize this notebook here. Alright, so the last one is a spiral. This is the Happy Planner Classic side. Here, and it does have a frosted plastic cover. Okay, so this is your graph notes here. It said it comes with 220 pages. Yeah, I definitely could utilize this notebook here along with the other one. And I know this is something, the notebooks really caught my eye when I did see the previews of this particular commonplace notebook set. So, what's your thoughts on this subscription box? What are your favorites? If you got the box, and if you did get the box, if you had the opportunity to purchase something from the box, what items would you get? I would say my number one item would be, so I think my number one item would definitely be the pouch, the storage pouch. Love that. Definitely gonna order some more of those to go into my CPT planner. And I do like the marker with my budgeting. Now, I already been playing with markers lately, something I haven't done in years. So I am excited about that because right now I'm in my highlighter marker phase. So loving that, and I absolutely love the no spine notebook. Loving that. So guys, if you're planning on going to the Cloth and Paper event in June here in Richmond, Virginia, leave that in the comments because if you're coming, I would love to meet you there. And if you are coming, leave a heart with the fires. So I want to thank you so much for joining me in today's unboxing of the May 2025 Cloth and Paper Intention Box. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment. Toodles!